Many companies wonder how to make better use of technology, but where to start? When Simon Hoyle, Learning and Development Manager for Volkswagen Group Australia, wanted to bring their internal practices into the 21st century, their first stop was performance management.
So I think initially the frustration that we were seeing was probably through our lack of having a good technology-based platform for performance management. We've got fantastic technology in our products and innovation. What we weren't seeing was how we could establish the same sort of culture within some of our internal practices. So firstly, we wanted to move into that sort of digital age so that we could align with some of our other processes. Then it was more a case of looking for what opportunities do we have for a platform like this, and working with PeopleStream we realised that what we could do was use a platform to help drive the right behaviours amongst our managers. It's one thing to create the expectation and have the skill set in there, but we wanted a tool that helped facilitate the type of dialogue that we wanted to see, the regularity of feedback, and the type of discussions that we wanted to see taking place between managers and their employees.
Hoyle says the first priority was enabling a more efficient system.
First of all, it's all about creating better efficiencies. So in terms of the process, it's about getting managers and staff to spend less time on the intricacies of the process itself and more time on the business value-add outputs and inputs. So as an example, instead of spending more time completing performance management documents, it's about spending more time having that valuable feedback dialogue. Secondly, it's about the actual objectives themselves. So if we can create smarter objectives that are more quantifiable and more easily tracked over time, inevitably we're going to have better organisational success. And last of all, it's about that overall viewpoint of the organisation. For HR, if we can get a perspective of performance management, talent management, recruitment, remuneration, all in one spot, it's going to help us make better HR-related decisions.
When it came to rolling out the new system, the Volkswagen IT team worked closely with HR to ensure the new technology would fit seamlessly with company culture.
So first and foremost, it has to be right up front from an operational perspective. But for us in particular, it was about how do we introduce the tool that works with the culture here at VGA. So for us, it was about accessibility. So as an example, we made sure that we implemented elements such as single sign-on, so removing the need for anybody to remember yet another password. We also made sure that it enabled remote access. So whether you are a salesperson on the road, whether you're a manager that works from home or someone with flexible work arrangements, you always have access to the system 24/7. So that was primarily the most important element for us. Working with our IT team, we made sure that it was a seamless transition moving from the paper-based tool into the online tool.